Good morning, guys. Welcome to day 66. I was not planning of doing an intro here, but I just have to show you my breakfast. It's absolutely stunning. So good morning and welcome here.
Nice breakfast.
It's absolutely stunning.
And it felt so good to have a camera stuck up in your face.
Yeah. Who doesn't like the camera in the morning? Delicious. Well, see you on the trail. And I have to show you breakfast with the view.
Nice sunny weather with a nice little breeze. No, it's windy today again, and we do day 66 with starting up with a view. Yesterday when we got to bed we couldn't see anything here. It was super rainy, super cloudy. Oh, I see a tent over there. Nice. That will be a rough night, he or she. So today we go to Blåhammaren's fjällstation, I think it was. So we go to Blåhammarens fjällstation?
Yes.
Yeah, nice. So that's the destination for today, only 18 kilometers, so it's gonna be hopefully a nice one, with less wind, less rain. And tonight this accommodation cabin over there is fully booked, unfortunately, so we're gonna sleep in a tent tonight, and it's gonna be like 1 or 2 degrees. So all the clothes on, the sleeping bag on, the liner on, 5 pairs of socks. I don't have that many, but it would be a dream. And but now it's nice weather, starting up with a beautiful view and still dry. My shoes were a little bit wet still because they had no dry room for the shoes here, but we did the laundry yesterday, so everything is dry again after the rain, so that felt good. And we have a little bit of a heater in the room. I don't know the name in English. Element maybe, but that's maybe just a Swedish word. So we have a hot accommodation in the room, and when I took the showers yesterday I was showering in the hottest because my feet were hurting so much because I was so cold from the heavy rain. And our first river crossing. And now we take this route because of Catherine. We are joining up her to Storlien. It's off our beaten path, so we're thinking of taking a little bus tour into the country so we can continue our journey in there. But when we have walked this way, we have walked all of the southern Kunst trail, so that's fun as well. But the views, and here Wi-Fi, internet, running water, everything in the cabin. I cannot I cannot still not understand that, but I'm an old man, so for me it's when you can have internet and your phone works up here, I think it's incredible. And look at the water, crystal clear.
You gonna cross or what? Yes, please. Your turn. Oof. Now we have waiting. We go into that one, Blåhammaren, but now 3 kilometers to that wind shelter. Gonna be great to get inside. It was so funny. Just a few minutes ago, right on top of these mountains, at that hill, I stood there and paid the rent. It's amazing. We figured out, but we almost forgot to pay the rent. So, but now, hey, the rent back home is paid off, and we can still hike on. Oh, the wind took the door. Lunchtime. And I saw more people going here.
Yeah,
and for lunch, we have
noodles we're going to try.
This, a little bag of nuts, raisins, figs, noodles, what that, rice noodles?
Yeah.
And egg noodles, ordinary noodles. Noodles and chips. That's a good one, Catherine.
Yeah, it's some crunchy texture.
Yeah.
And hard bread.
And hard bread.
With shrimp cheese.
And after this, we just have 8 left today. So it's a really, really nice day.
Half day of walking.
Yeah.
It feels like a Nero.
You can see what it says.
That one's nice. Everything else here is just crap.
I don't...
People destroying the cabins.
Yeah.
So stop writing the walls. You are nothing
Shitty
special.
people, do not do that.
Your sandwich, my love. Hopping. Another river crossing. But this was one of the more easy ones. Yeah. And of course, the nice water to drink.
I'm thirsty.
Yeah, I had a sip here. It was super nice water.
Delicious.
Yeah.
And today at the Blåhammarens mountain station,
Yeah?
that is Sweden's most high pointed
Yeah, cabin.
mountain station.
Yeah. So it's gonna be a high one today.
It'll be a cold night.
Yeah, and there we're gonna pitch the tent. So
1 degree.
yeah. But down here, absolutely beautiful. Look at this. And more people are coming.
All this uphill, and we are here. But it was much worse yesterday. It was higher up. Not higher up because it's the highest point, but it was more elevated yesterday. And the rain, of course. And I ordered me a poncho yesterday, so I hope I will get that in Storlien in a few days. So now we are at Blåhammarens Blåhammarens mountain station. I can't believe it. Then he was here a few minutes before us, of course, as usual, and just went in and talked to the guy there, and they have cancellations, so we are able to sleep inside tonight again. So we have one bed each in a, I thought it was 8-bed room, and a kitchen, and we get shower, but we have a cold shower because they have problem with the heater for the water. But this is going to be nice.
In the shower,
So, do you want to come along into the 8-bedroom? As soon as I get off my shoes, you have to come along. This made me really happy actually, because it's going to be so cold and windy in this 1083 meters above. Oh, look at the kitchen. was a really nice one. And we can choose bed almost first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you want that one or you want that one or that one?
Doesn't matter. Those two and down there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You two ladies there?
Yeah. And we have a table. We have it all and a view. Time for some fika. We have been showering. Not my hair though, because cold water in the shower, but refreshed.
No, that was nice cold water. I even took a shower on my head. I'm not a sissy like Anna.
So now a little bit of fika. So I buy me a small chocolate bar.
And I buy me a big bag of candy. But we're going for chili con carne with rice and white cabbage. So it's going to be a feast tonight.
The feast. And we are here early. The time is not much. And this was 1086 meters above.
Have you filmed outside?
It's like a painting all around.
I can go out and show you guys. Or you want me or you want Anna?
Do you want chocolate Anna or painting Dan?
Yeah, I want to paint you the picture of the beautiful world out there. So I will go out and show you what this accommodation has to offer. We got the toilet here as well. But this was occupied, unfortunately. We have a dry room, that's perfect. For every clothes and the shoes. And out here. And again, we were so lucky. 3 beds left. They have a cancellation. That's why we couldn't sleep inside. So that was nice. We have electricity, they said, and Wi-Fi, but the Wi-Fi haven't seen. But maybe that's in better days. And reception, toilets, shower in there, and that's the door to our little room. But again, look at the views. Yeah, the outdoor toilet as well. That's nice. And I just go into the reception because I thought we're gonna buy so we can cook food inside and everything and use the facilities. It's 40 crowns a day to use the facilities, 40 or 80 I think. But the guy said, I said to him, do you have a room for 3? And he said, actually I maybe have. Yeah, and now those guys came too late, so they pitched the tent. Sorry about that, guys, it's our fault. But look at this view. Look at this view. It's incredible. And we even got a little bit of sun, and it's not going to rain today, but up here it's super windy. So I'm happy to be inside, and when I told the lovely ladies, Anna and Catherine, I saw tears in both their eyes because we have had a few rough days up here, hiking, walking around, ups and downs, and with the rains and the storm, we have so much wind out here, so it was a rough one. I like that. That's a drying room as well, the stony path there. So that's nice. And this is Blåhammaren fjällstation, and like Anna said before, this is the most northern fjällstation in Sweden. Not northern, highest fjällstation in Sweden. So here everything goes in here by chopper, not by those. And what this is, I don't know, but it's beautiful. So maybe thumbnail Dan and this in the background, it can be. Woo, look at that. And again, all these beautiful views. And of course, a reindeer down there. And that's fun as well to see. Everywhere we go, a couple of times a day, we see herds of reindeers and reindeers just running around. But now I have to start rambling, and maybe see you at the dinner with a chili con carne and rice today and white cabbage salad. It's gonna be a great one. I'm getting a little bit hungry, but the ladies, they want the candy and not the food. I wanted the food, but like you guys, all of you know, it's the ladies who are in charge. We have to do what they say. No, just joking. But see you dinner, guys. And still people is coming in. Oh my God, look who's in the kitchen. What a feast she have done. We have chili con carne with rice. Look at those bowls. And lovely Anna have made this all happen. And of course, the pizza salad. And you need to have that. And for drinks, hot. What's the name of nypon?
Rose nips.
Rose snips soup. Rose snips or rose nips?
Rose hips.
Rose hips.
Rose nips.
Snips.
Just say it fast.
Yeah, rose
What
nips.
did you do soup?
Yeah. So it's hot, so that was nice. And the food looks absolutely stunning. This was a canned food from here. The chili con carne, and I just add garlic and cayenne. Or what did you add?
Garlic.
Just garlic. And should we have a taste test before we say bye-bye?
Yes, and I will have some salad as well.
Yeah, that was a bought one. It's decent. And a lot of people out there. I see them running around.
Oh.
And you fill up your plate with pizza salad?
Yeah.
So that's nice.
Yeah, and this is
Hey.
okay.
And the chili con carne was nice?
Yeah, it's not homemade,
No.
but it. Yeah, I could use some pepper or something else, but I didn't. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
And what did you go for? Sorry.
Mainly kidney beans with tomato sauce, a lot of cayenne pepper, a lot. And a bit of barbecue sauce.
Yeah, the
smoky one.
Yeah, sweet and smoky.
The difference between us is that she has flavor in her.
Yeah, okay.
You can have more because I've made so much.
Top it up.
Yeah.
But this is the end for today. Now we're gonna enjoy this lovely cabin and have some Snickers and chocolate, of course. But what has happened to the chocolate?
And we are high up.
Yeah.
Very, very high up.
Yeah, the highest cabin in Sweden.
86.
1,086 meters above water.
Yeah, the highest
STF cabin.
STF
Cabin.
mountain cabin.
Oh, that's great.
I think
So-
it's cabins higher up.
Thumb up, subscribe, tell all your friends. We're out walking. And they're gonna hit the shower. I like that. Every people hitting the showers. But why are those dudes just sitting there? So maybe they should go for the tent. But look at that view.